Tourism is playing a pivotal role in Jamaica's post-pandemic recovery, and for good reasons. There's no better industry to drive the inclusive, shrewd, and sustainable economic growth needed to move Jamaica forward. There's no better industry, in fact, to increase revenue, restore jobs, and generate new opportunities in communities across Jamaica. I'm particularly pleased, therefore, to be joining the United Nations World Tourism Organization, the UNWTO, and the global community in underscoring the significance of World Tourism Day, which will be observed on September 27th under the theme, Tourism for Inclusive Growth. It is a celebration of tourism's ability to drive inclusive development while generating opportunities for many millions across the globe. According to the UNWTO, this is an opportunity to look beyond tourism statistics and acknowledge that behind every number there's a person, to celebrate tourism's unique ability to ensure that nobody is left behind as the world begins to open up again and look to the future. This year's World Tourism Day theme will also guide Jamaica's activities for Tourism Awareness Week, which runs from September 26 through October 2, as we raise awareness of tourism's significant contribution to the island's wide-scale growth and development. These include daily advertorials highlighting initiatives of the Ministry of Tourism and its public bodies that foster inclusive growth, a church service, a virtual expo, a virtual concert, and a youth digital photo competition. Tourism is one of the world's largest and fastest growing industries, and it is a major source of income for many countries. In Jamaica, tourism is our bread and butter. Tourism is the engine of our economy. It creates jobs, attracts foreign investment, drives the development of critical infrastructure, and promotes trade across multiple sectors. More importantly, it promotes inclusive economic growth and social mobility. To truly appreciate the importance of tourism to Jamaica's wider post-pandemic economic recovery, let's look at some numbers. Pre-pandemic, 2019 was a record-breaking year for Jamaica's tourism sector in terms of arrivals and earnings. We welcomed 4.2 million visitors. The sector earned $3.7 billion, contributed 9.8% to the nation's gross domestic product, the GDP, and accounted for 170,000 direct jobs, while indirectly impacting another 100,000. Our mission has always been to create a tourism product where the vast benefits are distributed fairly across society. Tourism is as much about the farmer, craft vendor, the entertainer, and the transportation provider as it is about the hotelier, the restaurateur, and the attractions operator. The silver lining is the COVID-19 crisis has provided the opportunity for us to reimagine and rebuild this resilient industry to better achieve this mandate. Sustainability and inclusivity are integral to the recovery process. Therefore, as we seize the opportunities in this crisis, we are implementing strategic measures to rebuild a product that is safe, equitable, and generates economic opportunities for average Jamaicans. The framework for reimagining Jamaica's tourism is being guided by the Ministry of Tourism's Blue Ocean Strategy, which will allow us to meet our growth targets of 5 million visitors, $5 billion in earnings, and 5,000 new rooms by 2025. It will require a shift in mindset as we seek to uncover hidden opportunities in the tourism industry in these times of economic uncertainty. Instead of focusing on head-to-head competition and gaining market share, we will innovate to capture new demand and to make competition peripheral by introducing a differentiated and diverse product with superior features. This will necessitate further training to build the capacity of our people, renewing our focus on destination assurance, leveraging our culture and heritage to tell the authentic Jamaican story, making music a more predominant and inclusive part of the visitor experience, and creating programs to get visitors out of the hotels to experience authentic Jamaica. Also, we will strengthen the system for tourism zoning and theming, so the unique characteristics of each of Jamaica's destination areas will be preserved and enhanced to support their own distinctive brand appeal. In this way, tourism will be a key driver of a robust and agile economy that benefits every Jamaican. Thank you, and God bless you.